Having trouble dashing? The DoorDash app likely flags issues in three key areas: eligibility, zone compliance, or schedule settings. First, eligibility. Ensure you're at least 18 years old or 21 in some areas, have a valid license, insurance, and a working smartphone. Critically, background checks can take 3 to 7 days. Expired documents in the Account tab of the app are a common blocker. Resubmit them. Second, zone compliance. DoorDash restricts dashing to specific geographic zones. The app uses GPS to verify you're within your zone, leaving it triggers an error. Update your address or request a zone change if needed. As of 2025, the app has an eligibility checker in version 4.8.2 that proactively identifies these problems. Update the app, clear the cache, and enable location permissions for immediate fixes. If eligibility and zone aren't the issue, scheduling is the next suspect. You can only dash during your preset availability windows. Toggle your availability off and on, or adjust your preferences within the app. Since 2025, DoorDash uses AI to optimize scheduling, but manual adjustments might be necessary. A key trend is app stability. Restarting the app or your device often resolves data sync glitches. If problems persist, contact DoorDash support directly through the app or website. Manual overrides are sometimes possible. Remember that dashing is flexible but not guaranteed. Compliance is key. With average Dasher pay increased to $25 to $35 per hour in 2025, resolving these issues is more important than ever to get you back on the road.